Well, once again, we're at Callie's Campground for a weekend of off-roading. We got a big off-roading event with Central KY Broncos this weekend. There's probably 13 to 15 people going to be here, so I came up a little bit early yesterday and did some light off-roading myself, me and the girls, and it's going to be a good day today. It's going to be hot, mid 90s and humid, so but we'll be fine. Looking forward to another great weekend in the Red River Gorge. This is our setup. We're on the front end of the campground now, so we can get hooked up to power for the AC in this clipper. So we'll see you guys on the trails. Okay, we all met at the Slade rest area. We've got 14 Broncos and 1 Jeep. We do not discriminate. We usually have more Broncos though, but anybody's welcome to come on our rides with Central KY Broncos. I want to thank John and Kim for organizing this, and I tell you what, we had a great day. We're going to hit Spas Creek, Pumpkin Hollow. We're going to do a little lunch, and then we're going to go on to Hells Creek Road, Old Fincastle Road, and we're going to finish up in the Rock Garden. It was a great day. I hope you enjoy this video. Go ahead and hit that like button and share it with others. Great wave.
Oh, yeah. Eric's back there someplace.
not sure what. John? I'm not sure we're going to get them through here.
They'll have to go that way.
Oh, right through here, yeah.
Yeah.
You just took an alternate route.
I did. What's another way?
Over here. You need help up here.
I don't think so.
You've done it enough.
Yes. Watching this rock over here.
Up here, baby.
Come back this way, Mike. There you go. Keep coming this way. There you go, getting ready to drop over there.
Rubicon!
Nice job, man. Nice job. Just watch your door right here on this one.
Watch this rock here with your quarter, so come over my way.
That's all right, though.
Mike doesn't have a locker down. He comes up, he's coming. Bump it, Mike. What was that?
You're gonna have to bump it.
Give us a big.
Let me throw a couple boulders there.
Good job. All right.
Back up a little bit and then bump it.
Yeah, back up. Just well, go. Now there you go.
Passenger, get ready to drop. Passenger, a little bit there. You're right on a big rock on your driver's side. Good deal.
There you go. Go this way.
Slow down right there, Tom. You got a big rock on passenger side.
You see that one? You're good.
Stay straight.
Come on.
Keep going straight. Don't cut back. You'll be into it. Oh, you see you. Hey, work. Rear lockers on.
You got it.
Squeezy. There you go. You slid across it. Alright, Now be careful right there.
Now go slow coming down off that. Straighten up.
Straighten it back, driver.
Straighten up.
Go driver. Go driver. There you go. Now come forward. Keep coming forward. Don't fight the wheel. You'll pop a tie rod. Just pull up and over that little rock you got on your drivers there. Alright, there you go. Now you sit down. Go back, driver.
Come this way.
There you go. Come on around that rock. There you go. Now stay straight right there. Yep. Keep coming. Ease up through there. Go back, driver. Driver. Easy. Keep coming. Passenger just a little bit. Keep coming. Keep coming. You're going to climb a rock on your driver. Yep.
It's locked.
Your front's not locked.
Locked in now? Okay, try it again.
It wasn't spinning at
Yeah,
all.
but this one ain't spent. There you go.
Come on, dear.
You're good. You got it.
Good job.
You made it look too easy. You had to back up and do it again. That's smart. It didn't straighten up. Yeah.
Made that look too easy.
I seen it though. I watched everyone else do it.
We'll just give you mine while I see you can do it.
You're on that. You're getting ready to come off this little rock here. So you're good.
Hey Brandon, I think you could run driver where you're standing and passenger over here, just straddle it.
Worry about it being caught there.
Go driver. There you go. Straighten it up. Back driver. Cut passenger just a little bit. Okay. Move. Now come on. Yep.
No, because we need to eventually, probably.
Hopefully
not.
The guy I bought my houseboat from, his son owns Central Kentucky
Oh, okay.
Body Shop.
Okay.
And they do everything. They do everything.
Yeah.
They build race cars. They all into racing.
Yeah.
The one that's in my hood.
Where do you live?
We live in Somerset.
Somerset.
Come on,
Okay.
cut, Mike. Get over.
You look up East Fort Marino, look over near the bridge. Look
I've
look
heard
over
of
there.
it.
Yeah.
I've heard of that.
That's where we are.
Yeah.
We bought a house. So that was 35 for the house. Was just for camping. It went 35.
Yeah.
You don't have to get one.
Yeah.
Driver, driver, driver. Keep coming. Keep coming. Stop. Straight. All right.
Slow and easy, Mike. Easy.
You got a rock, you're gonna crawl up on your driver's hood. Make it feel weird.
You're good.
You're good.
You're good. You ain't hitting over here. You're
Right.
good. There you go. Easy. That's good.
up.
We talked about taking that over.
Great. Can you crawl up that? Got it. There you go. Good job, man.
Keep straight, keep straight. Driver. There you go. Right there. Driver. Perfect.
You're welcome.
Straight. There you go. Right there. Stay straight. Stay straight. Now driver. Driver. There you go. Driver. Not yet. Okay, driver. Keep going, a little bit more. There you go. Driver. Perfect. Right there. Go that way. Perfect. And then you got another ledge right here. There you go. Look at that, man. You made it look easy.
Crawler gear is the best thing in the world.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to end this great video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and like and share it and comment and subscribe to the channel. All that good stuff. We left there, went to the restaurant, and had a good meal, and then everybody went on their way. If you've never been to the Red River Gorge area or on the Daniel Boone Backcountry Byway, I highly suggest it. A beautiful place. All right, well, we will see you guys out there on the trails. Have a good one.